In today's video, we're taking a look at the Harbor Freight Portland pressure washer hands-on video. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and it's hot, and the only thing on your mind is water. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. We have high-speed, limb-cutting, water-spraying machine. So this is a long-awaited review. We've been having this machine for about 2 years, and not only it gets the job done, but it's still going strong. This is usually sold in Harbor Freight and some online stores. The brand is Portland. It has 1,750 PSI, 1.3 gallons per minute, and you can usually find this machine under $90 easily. The great thing about this machine, everything is contained on itself. In front of the machine, we have the on and off button. So it's easy to start the project and also easy to abort the operation, especially when things are not going as planned. At the bottom, we have the water hose, which according to the manual is over 20 feet. The tip of the hose is metal and also the connector on the machine. You can remove with the ancient rule of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. In the back, we have a hook where you can lay the hose to rest, which makes it easy to move from one location to the other. At the top, we have the spray gun holder, also the nozzle holder. And this is where you could place either the spray gun or the nozzle, helping again with the theme of having everything in one spot. If we take a look at the spray gun, we have 3 buttons. The actual trigger for basically spraying and not spraying once you let go. At the bottom, we have a little lever that releases the high pressure hose and a little circular button to lock the spray gun, which means when pressed, you can't spray. So that's good to avoid any accidental presses. And that's a good thing, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die or to lose a limb and go from a DIY master to a DIY pirate. So unless you want to start practicing your R's, then we can take a look at the wand nozzle. And it works by aligning the end and twisting, which creates a nice lock between the wand nozzle and the spray gun. You can either twist the nozzle spray in the front, left or right. Depending on the side you twist it to, you're gonna get a narrow spray or a wide spray. And the wide spray we usually use to clean the car, because it's not that hard to cause any damage to the paint, and also because it comes out kind of like a mist spray with a lot of air, it tends to dry very quickly and easier to dry with any rag. But if you want to remove hard stuck on grime, the good thing is that you could dial it in all the way to a pinpoint. And if you want, even remove the cement from the ground. And this is where it becomes dangerous and you want to be careful. Unless you've been eyeing a boat lately. Next, we have the detergent bottle. And if you see a recurring theme, everything basically opens the same way. It's a twist and lock mechanism. Here also at the back, we have the detergent bottle holder. And when we use this bottle, we like to pour a little bit of soap and the rest of water. It mixes in better and you get more foam cleaning action. Whenever we clean anything, we like to spray it down with the wide option on the wand nozzle and then spray it using the detergent bottle to get some nice foamy action on the dirty surface, and then come back over it with the water again. On the back of the machine, we have the water hose connector, and this is where you're going to connect your water hose. As you can see, it has a metal mesh filter to avoid any particles or debris to go inside the machine and clog it. The good thing about this connector is that it moves, so that means you can hold the water hose in place and just move the connector until it tightens. Once tight, we like to give it an extra snug with our pliers. And yes, we even use these pliers when we brush our teeth. As you may see it in every other video that we do, we're gonna have to give this plier a name. On one of the sides of the machine, we have the power cord. It also has a hook. The cord also comes with a little clamp to help with the cable management. And that cord, according to the manual, is 35 feet. As you can tell, it is very long. And that is a great thing, because the last thing you want is the electrical connection and the water to be close. So if you're not looking to be raiding, then you're good. The cord itself has a built-in GFCI switch to avoid any electrical shock. On the other side of the machine, there's nothing but the wheels at the bottom. There are 2 wheels on each side, and they have a size of 4 inches. They are made of plastic, but they get the job done. Overall, we've been using this machine for about 2 years without any issues. It's great to have everything portable on the move, and that when you put it away, you know where everything's at. We've used it to clean our vehicles on a bi-weekly basis, and also to clean the backyard patio floor, and it does a great job. Overall, we can give it a thumbs up. And now you can pat yourself on the back for acquiring pressure washer knowledge. You have leveled up your DIY game. You've become one with water. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.